Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'll be looking at the Galaxy A16. I'll just be unboxing of the Galaxy A16. Of course, this is the box. It comes in this particular box. As you can see here, there's the Galaxy A16 at the sides. This information at the base, there is their very important device serial numbers and so on. Towards the back, you can find other information. Once you open up the box, this is the presentation of what's inside. Here you go. We can remove this. In here, you'll find the SIM tool. Can be used to open the SIM card slot. And again, you have the information in here, the documentation. This is the documentation. You do get a USB cable. And this cable is actually a USB Type-C cable, which is standard. And you get the other documentations that comes with your device that includes package contents. Do note you only get a ejection pin, a quick start guide, which is the stuff that you're seeing here, a USB cable and a device. You do not get a adapter brick, so of course you'll have to buy a adapter, or if you have a spare adapter from a previous device, you'll actually need that. So during your purchase, also add or account for a USB brick or a full charger so you can charge your device. They do not anymore come with that adapter brick that usually comes with your devices. Here you have your warranty certificate, a certificate, some form of guarantee in another language. Here you have just some other documentation. And of course you have it in English that says Samsung limited time warranty in a summarized format. The phone does come sandwiched in this sleeve, but I've removed it. And of course, alright, so the phone does come sandwiched in this sleeve, as I was saying, but of course I've removed it. Be sure to also install a screen protector. This particular one already I've had a screen protector installed to protect the display should it fall, protect it from breaking. All right, now for the tour of the device. As you can see here, this is the side of the device. You can find on the left side the SIM card slot, which is the upper left for the A16. At the base, you can find the USB Type-C port. There's also the port at the left for the mic. And of course, what seems to be another grill for sound. At the top, there's another hole that seems to be for sound as well. And if we go to this side over here, we have the power button. And of course, we have the volume up and down button, just basically standard. Let's power it up to see what's happening. All right, so as you can see, this one is powering up. And of course, we'll show you the interface in a minute. And then you can see Samsung Galaxy and a Knox interface. And of course, this is powered by Android, as all Samsung Galaxy devices do run on Android. All right. So of course, straight out of the bat, I like the design. It's very relatively slim. Of course, the camera placement is very nice. It's great that we get those 3 cameras and that flash on the back. Of course, it feels well sculptured and the feel in the hand. And I do recommend that you get a case. And of course, here we go. This is the interface. Let's just start up and to show you what's happening. That's towards the interface. All right, here I have a case. These Chinese-based cases. You can pick these up. It's something to basically keep the phone protected. So cases should drop or fall. Here you can see we have the reinforced edges. And of course, do check those out. Make sure you get a nice case. Alright guys, so you can see the full booted up version at the next tutorial. So of course I'll edit the tutorial here to show you that everything is working. And of course this is just a quick unboxing to show you what you get and what's included in this A16 device. See you in the next one guys, bye.